Hi, this is Mike. I thought I would do a updated video on this Grillsmith Executive Series 5-burner gas grill that I bought 2 years ago at Walmart. I did a YouTube video on it because there wasn't a lot of information on YouTube, so I thought I'd do a new video and show what I found after 2 years of ownership. The grill still looks really good for 2 years now. I've kept it covered, but there were a few nights that I forgot to cover it and it got rained on, but it still looks real good. The inside of it looks real good. The only thing that I see rusting is fasteners. They used, standard steel fasteners, and those are rusting, and I've been kind of replacing them as I go. I need to clean that shelf, but other than that, the unit still looks really good for it to have been a sub $300 grill. All of the knobs still work fine. None of them have cracked or broken. The igniter still works like it's supposed to. The hood is still in excellent shape. Now I did upgrade it to stainless steel grill grates, and these are Weber grill grates, 7mm. They're the 19 by 23 and 3/8 or 5/8 or something like that. You can find them on Weber's website if you have this grill and want to upgrade your grill grates. They've got them that, they look like they were made for the grill. They fit perfectly. The flame tamers, you can see through the grill grates. They have that's not rusted. It's that, I guess it's a red oxide coating that gets on stainless steel. When they get hot, there's absolutely no rust on them, and those are still in excellent shape. The grill box is still in excellent shape. I did install stainless steel screws for the heat hood, and I installed a stainless steel hinge over here. The other one didn't break, but it was rusting out, and I went ahead and drilled it out and installed I'm going to do the other side pretty soon, but that was such a bear to drill out. I just did one and take a break. But the warming rack, if you remember in my first video, that's stainless steel and that has not rusted. A lot of your grills, a lot of your $600 and $700 grills, the warming rack is either just enamel coated or it's plain steel and they rust out in no time. This one is still sitting there. The flame tamers rust out quick on a lot of your more expensive grills. They're still sitting there. Now, I can't say nothing bad about it. It's been a great grill. Now the only thing, good luck finding one. I don't see it on Walmart's website. There's a few Grillsmith products out there, but and there's someone selling these, or selling a few of these on sorry about that, on Amazon, but they're wanting $400 and something for them. Now, I don't know if it's worth that or not. It may be if you wanted one. I can tell you the thing's held up real well. These side plates, if you remember, they're 3 or 4 stainless. Magnet won't stick to them, and they won't stick to the flame tamers. So with the upgrade of the stainless steel grates, I don't know how much longer life I'll get out of it. Keeping it covered, I might have it another 5 years or another 2 years. So, but I just wanted to do a quick update couple of people on the original video that I had was asking, you know, after owning it 2 years, you know, what did I think? And like I say, I'm no YouTuber, so this video ain't high quality, but it works. But not a long video, just wanted to give an update and give my opinion, and so far I'm pretty pleased. I wanted to go with the stainless steel grates because the cast iron ones that come with it, they were kind of thin and they've started to rust out, and I've done some searching, and like I said, these are Weber grill grates, and I don't remember the number. I'll post a link, but or if anybody asks, I'll post the part number. But they're on Weber's website. You can order them. They were $91, but for no more than what I paid for the grill, I think it's worth it to get them. So there you go. Still grilling along there. Still gets up to 700 degrees, and I'm still pretty pleased with it. So cheers. Later.